Well, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, whatever the case may be. Welcome to Blue Bike Noise channel. In the shed, dicking around, running an intro. Yep. Rear tires, rear brakes, rear. Working on the rear. And kick that intro, run that intro, roll the intro. Do whatever you're going to do to the intro. Watch the intro. Alrighty, folks, alrighty now. Welcome back, Carter. Welcome back to the Blue Bike Noise channel with another episode of Dickin' Around in the Shed. Today we working on the rear ends, our rear ends, keeping them lubed up and yeah, all that good stuff. Well, anyway, I came home last night from a long day of work and pulled my rear tire off. Noticed I needed brakes. Yep. Oh yeah, let's make sure we do this because you might get into some trouble. Warning, we just having fun on. If you take stuff too serious, this channel may not be for you, buddy. Do Blue Bike Noise channel. Thanks to Blue Bike, put it in Fab Shop for that warning. It applies to us. So, like I said, working on the rear loose seal. Do as I do to say, don't, yeah, whatever that is. Anyway, I like to, way I do mine is I do the rear shocks. That way you can lower the bike down to get around the exhaust pipe so you ain't got to take those off. Did that. Fixing to slide the axle back through and we'll get that done. Yeah, right now. Like I said, I'm lowering it down, and you gotta take the tire in, go in. See it's raising. The bike's going down. Cause you gotta.
I don't forget. Uh-oh, I got in the bind, dang it. Come on. Now, it should go down. See, I can raise that up. My swing arm. So I can get the axle shaft through. Like so. Get your washer. There's a right way and a wrong way. Yeah, I still need to come down some more. There it goes. See, you can bar go right over that. Still need to come down some more. It's easy to bring the, oh, don't forget your washer. Spacer washer. Drop it in. Come on. There you go. Get it. Wiggle it.
And slide your axle through. Now we gotta get on the other side. Alright, we over here. And this side, like I said, here's the old brake shoes. They were pretty thin. Yeah, they was in time for them. And they go like so. Make sure you put the pad facing the rotor. And pretty simple. All you got is one bolt. Well, you got two to take it off this right here. And I got to put this back in. You got one bolt right here. Pull this pin right there. And then take this pin bolt out. These will drop out. Slip them back in. Put the pin back in. Slap that keeper in. All done. Yep. I might have messed up here. Alright. Don't forget you got your ABS sensor. That's got to go in there. And this got to go on there. like so, I think. I think that's the way it goes, but you got a slot. I probably got to take the whole thing off to hit this back. Yep. Don't tell me I do. I do. Crap. All right, let's start all over again. Dang it. All right, like I said, I just had to make room for this. Like I said, that little notch slips on this little part right here. You see all this when you take it off. It's very easy. Yeah, even I can do it. Slide that back on, and we'll put your, that's gotta go like so. That's your wheel sensor. And when we get that to that point, we can push it all back together. Let me let it down now. This is when you can use two people just about. Yep. That bar's on there. That's on there. And put this on here. Just hold it right there. Now slide tap the axle shaft through gently. Lower the bike down some more to clear the I should that's coming. Reach over the bike, tap it some more, tap. Double check yourself. It's a coming. As you can see, that shock's in the way, but there's your thing. Here's your cam. That's got a little notch in it, so it can that keeps you everything in line, and voila. Another little trick I like to do, are you still recording? Yeah. Is I just missed this one, so now I gotta do that again. Hold on, you're all over the place. So now you'll see that cam. I don't know if you see it or not. Let's see what you can see. Watch this right here come up. And once you get that, you can, there's a little keeper. You just slide it back over in there. Sometimes you might have to use a screwdriver. See, there it's there. Got it. So now I got the belt tightened back up. I got those the shocks torqued back to good and tight specs. Good and tight. Good and tight. And now let's put the
Brakes back on so we can stop now. We can go, we can know, and we can stop now. This is looks like it's a Husky. 8, HW8, hex wrench. I don't know what HW mean, but it's a number 8. That fits these bolts right here. That gotta go in there. So then you can take your brake caliper over the brake rotor.
Hold it with my bottom finger. See how, when it's easy, it goes good. I just didn't have that pad in the little notch like it should have been. Put your bolts back in.
bolts back in. Make sure your ABS lines is out of the way. It should be alright. That's where it sits. Tighten these hex head bolts down. Like so. Take your Allen hand. Did I change it? Nope, I did not change it back from where I took that pin out because it's a different size. And we'll tighten these good and tight. One. And we'll take this one clean through to Oklahoma.
There, see it? Click, click. I guess that's everything. Belt's good and tight. I got the tension right. I like to go back and double check everything. Double check. Put that back on, good and clean. And remember to pump your brakes, because I pushed all the fluid back up that way. Now, simmer that down. Well, now let's put the bags on. What's up, Mama Grace? Hello, welcome to Bootie North Channel. What's up, Mama Grace? Mailman. Nope, not the mailman. Next door neighbor waiting on the grandson to get back home. So, you see my hands dirty.
Hush, Bohannon. Clean them so I can clean my bike and get my dirty fingerprints all over them.
TKO hand cleaners. Get them at sweetpatina.com. Use pudding code PFS64. Good and clean. Good, clean enough to eat with. Finger licking good. So I'm going to clean them bags off and clean up where the bags go where you can't get on a clean day. I mean, when they on there. Yep.
Remember to plug my lights back up. I got a blinker saddle lag light. Come on, keep clicking there. Come on, is that the way you go? At least so it clicked. And I got the saddlebag blade lights from Custom Dynamics. Plug them back up. Like so. Click, click. And just the bags. Where they go in those little pins. A lot of people don't like these little. Want to go to them fancy ones that I don't know where they got them from. I forget who I seen now. But these are just fine. I don't get hung on them. They keep my life together.
On Lucille. Let's see if she'll crank. Be my luck. We fake woke. It went deep, deep. All right, there you have it, folks. A rear tarp replacement on a 2019 Road Glide Special. Yep. Rear's done. Now I got to work on the front, clean it up, and Might go to a little fight show tomorrow, maybe. Not put Lucille in it. She'll win everything. Anyway, you go check out that video right about there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here. It's free. Leave a comment. It's free. Everything's free on my channel. Later.